Hey everyone, welcome back. Here is another video for ASUS Zenfone Max Pro M. Okay, I am going to review the best ever stable ROM Pixel Experience Plus Edition. एक is an Android 11 based ROM with Android security update of July month. एक is having Paraf Plus kernel. एक is very stable and very simple ROM with no extra customization but it is very smooth and very stable. If I talk about the change log in this update, you can check here. It is with July security patch and face unlock is improved and also the app lock has been removed due to some bugs found in last update and some another improvement are done like bulky and ambient display jagged and the screen is made purely rounded. So let's check the ROM with new features and new update in this. You can here download X Plus edition and simple edition without any problem. Also this ROM is encrypted, so don't forget to wipe your internal after flashing ROM or flash the FB remover patch to avoid data loss or book loop. You can check the video in I button for this. So let's start the video. First of all, we are going to check the connectivity here. W connectivity, Wi-Fi and hotspot as well as everything is working in this ROM. You know it is the best ever ROM with minor bugs. Also in case of battery saving mode, you can check here extreme battery saving mode is given. Also the battery backup is quite good in this ROM. You will not have any issue because this is very simple and scope like experience. So the battery backup is quite good in this ROM. If I talk about display, guard theme, night light and auto brightness options, all are working fine without any issue. You can use the night light with very good in Gansky. Also some another options are given here in case of style and wallpaper. You can easily customize the icon size and icon shape. Also you can check here screensaver and lock screen options are given. If I talk about noise behavior, you can check a pic and also Capco wake and Capco sleep option are working on status bar on home screen, and in case of lock screen it is working perfectly. No, in Pixel Experience double tap to sleep on home screen is not working. It is quite usual in this ROM, but double tap to sleep on lock and status bar is working without any issue. The sound quality is very good in this ROM. It is as usual as the last update, so no much difference. You can check some storage cap and privacy options without any issue. These are some normal setting you can use. If I talk about security, you can check here fingerprint unlock and face unlock both are working very fine. App lock has been removed from this update because of some bugs found in last update, so you know will not have the app lock in this update. If I talk about accessibility option, you can check here some another options are working perfectly. In case of system navigation, gesture navigation is working perfectly, so you can use this option without any issue. In case of system, you can check here some gestures are given. You can use this option without any issue. Also, three finger swipe down to click screen shock is working perfectly. Also, you can customize the status bar corner angles because some buttons you can check here. You can use these options without any issue. Also the network indicator option is working very fine. You can check here. It is quite good working in KOS style option. You can easily customize the KOS from here. There are no much customization but normal customization are given which are necessary for a good working of ROM. If I talk about KOS and car recording option, screen recording option is perfectly working. You can use it to record your game and other option. In work color and dark theme is working perfectly. If I talk about calling, you will not have Wi-Fi calling, video calling or call recording option in this ROM, as well as you know it gauge options are not found in A11 ROMs. As it is already GF built, so we cannot use call recording option in this update. Also Gcam is inbuilt in this ROM, which is very good thing in this update. You can check here the camera is working perfectly without any issue, so you can use this camera without any problem. Some another option are given. If I talk about different cache, you can check here Geekbench storage normal for this ROM. If I talk about naked rock check by default the ROM is not rocking, which is very good, and also the security is passed successfully, safety net cache is passed, so you will not have any issue related to security. And also the play score a device is certified, so you will not get any privacy issue related to applications. If I talk about banking apps, all the banking apps like SBI Yono, like HDFC, PhonePe, Paytm, Google Pay, these all banking apps are working fine, and I believe all other options are also working, so you will not have any issue related to banking apps. All another apps will also work in case of banking apps. So this is the ROM which is quite good to use. Also OK Google is working perfectly, so you will not have any issue to use OK Google in your device. So you must use this ROM and tell me how is it, because it is always the OP ROM. It is very good. If I talk about the home launcher, pixel launcher given here, you can easily customize some normal setting in this thing. So you can check here some another option also given. The ROM is very stable and very smooth. You will not have any issue related to its working and smoothness. You will not feel any lag or latency to use, and also the battery backup is quite good. The keep sleep is not working in this update. So these are some normal feature of this ROM which makes it quite good and quite useful, because this is the best ever stable ROM who want to use any ROM for long use. So you can use this ROM as your daily driver. So this is the video for Google. Let's make in next video. Thank you for watching.